Man's best friend will soon have additional protection here in Florida. A new law will soon take effect mandating dog owners to protect their pets during hurricanes. It's called Trooper's Law and it starts on Wednesday. Ari Height has more on what the law says and why animal control officers believe it will protect dogs.
Unfortunately, there have been some high-profile cases here in Martin County where animals have been abandoned. Folks here at the Sheriff's Office tell me they hope Trooper's Law will help. Shannon McGee spent her Monday trying to collect kittens that had been abandoned in Martin County. As an animal services officer, abandoned pets is something McGee sees all too often and cannot begin to understand.
You have to care. I mean, you have to have a bond. They're your everyday companion. They count on you.
What's even worse is when people abandon their pets during a storm.
It's okay. It's okay.
This is October of last year during Hurricane Milton. A Florida State trooper found a dog abandoned, tied to a fence, floodwaters rising. The trooper rescued the dog, adopted him, and named him Trooper. And starting Wednesday, Trooper's Law goes into effect in Florida. It makes it a felony to restrain and abandon a dog during a natural disaster. The punishment is up to 5 years in prison.
It serves as an extra protection and a reminder to the people of the public that you need to take care of your responsibility. And if you can't keep your dog with you, then do the right thing.
Most counties offer pet-friendly shelters. Many animal rescues will also take your dogs if you can't stay with them. In the end, McGee and soon the law say it's up to you to keep your dog safe however you can.
It's heartbreaking because I know that all of my babies are my babies, literally. I couldn't go anywhere without them. I won't leave without them.
And there is a second part to Trooper's Law that says if you own an animal that you keep confined, you must provide exercise, food, and water to that animal. Otherwise, you can be charged with a misdemeanor. This all goes into effect on Wednesday. In Martin County, Ari Height, WPBF 25 News.